everyone, we're going to make a sketch of the given information and label all angles that can be determined. So we'll start with number 5. It says number 5, adjacent complementary angles. So that's going to be a right angle, where one of the angle measures is 42. So you could draw anything, but I'm going to put the 42 here. And then, so this angle would have to be 47, because these two add up to 90 degrees. All right, and then number 6, non-adjacent supplementary angles, where one of the angles measures is 42. So I want supplementary but non-adjacent. So they means they have to add up to 42. So here's one. I'll just draw something like this, where this angle would be 42. And then I can draw another angle here, where this angle would be would have to be 138. So they're non-adjacent, but they add up to 180 degrees because of supplementary. Okay, number 7, we're doing congruent linear pairs. So you could draw something like this. Let's draw a line here and draw some line like that. So these would be your linear pairs, and this would be congruent like that. All right. And then you could, another way would be, you could draw it this way. And so there would be like that. All right. The next one is vertical. Oops, let me see. It's not moving. Vertical angles, which measure 42. So I'm going to draw vertical angles. Just draw some kind of vertical angles where they intersect. So if one measure is 42, then this measure has to be 42. And therefore, these two measures would have to be supplementary, which would be 138. So this would have to be 138. Something like that would work. And then number 9, we have angle ABC and CBD. So we're looking at B, are adjacent complementary angles. And then angles CBD and angle DBF are adjacent complementary angles. So they're all complementary. So let's do, we have an E. Do we have an E? No, we have an F. So let's do something like ABC and CBD are adjacent complementary. So let's draw that first. All right, so we'll call this A, B, and I'll do this as C, and I'll call this D. So there's that. So I took care of that one. And BDF, so BDF, so I'll move that here and call this F. They're adjacent complementary, so that means these two are congruent because they're adjacent complementary angles. All right, that's just one drawing. There's several ways to do it. And on the last one, we're going to draw 1 and 2 are complementary, so let's draw that. So we need an angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's just do, let me do something like this. All right, so draw straight down. So if I do something like this, and it says 1 and 2 are complementary, so I'll call this 1 and 2, and it says 3 and 4 are complementary, so I'll do this, 3 and 4, and 1 and 3 are vertical. So basically, if you'd have written this and done 4 and 3 like that, you would have been wrong because of this last segment. So the last statement says that 1 and 3 are vertical angles. So that means 2 and 4 have to be vertical. So that would work. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.